felt the frustration of updating the same element across dozens of pages? Let's dive into Webflow libraries to streamline your design process. First, understand the core concept. A library component is a reusable block of design elements that you can update globally from one central location. To get started, navigate to the Components tab in your Webflow project dashboard. Now, create the element you want to encapsulate. A navigation bar, a footer, a call to action button. Anything you reuse frequently. Once your element is designed, simply right-click it on the canvas and select Create Component from the context menu. Give your component a clear, descriptive name. This is crucial for organization as your project grows. Your new component will now appear in your Components panel, ready to be dragged and dropped onto any page. The real magic happens when you update a component, edit any instance on any page, and those changes will instantly propagate across every other linked instance throughout your site. This drastically cuts down on repetitive tasks, ensuring design consistency and making large-scale updates a breeze. By mastering Webflow libraries, you'll not only save time but also maintain a consistent, scalable, and efficient workflow for all your Webflow projects. Happy designing!